Hi and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information channel. Today in this video we are going to explaining complete wiring diagram of the SmartGen controller model HGM4100LT Genset controller, explaining the complete wiring diagram explanation and also giving the front review and explain the each button function. So don't wasting the time and let's begin. First of all, as you can see, this is our the SmartGen controller. The front view, the downside, we have four buttons. Okay, red button is used for to stop the generator manually, and also the auto button to operate the generator in auto mode, and also the C button, C/O button is used to close this generator breaker manually by pressing this button. Okay, that's used to monitor and remotely control the generator breaker automatically by open and close through this button of the generator main breaker. After that, we have a manual button which is used to start the generator manually, and after the finally button, green button is used to start the generator manually. Okay, the upper side we have two arrow buttons and also the parameter buttons, okay, to show to check out all the parameter in a controller. And also we have status, which means the generator health and condition of the alarm active or inactive. Okay, and also we have alarm warning indication light. Okay, this is the complete front overview of this smart gen controller. So it's going to explain the wiring diagram of the this controller. Okay, so let's me open the wiring diagram. Okay, this is the complete typical application wiring diagram of the smart gen controller. Okay, first of all, as you can see clearly, one is our negative input to this controller, two is battery positive input to this controller. But if you notice that this two input is going to internally inside this controller and then again distributed to the fuel crank, and also the uh, as you can see here, the last one 7 8 9, this 3 is output. Okay, auxiliary output or main battery positive voltage. Okay, and number 4, as you can see, this is out from the crank relay. Okay, and number 3 is out for the fuel relay, to on the fuel relay. And number 5 is charging alternator D plus terminal input. Okay, and number 6 is all sensor ground input. Okay, like engine temperature, oil pressure, auxiliary input 1, auxiliary input 2, auxiliary input 3, and auxiliary sensors, and auxiliary input 4, auxiliary sensor 2, auxiliary input 5. Okay, auxiliary means you can, it's optional, you can use for different type of sensor like engine temperature, oil pressure temperature, atmospheric temperature. Okay, and also fuel level sensor, etc. Okay, this is the all sensor common ground, include the MPU. Okay, magnetic backup unit. Okay, as you can see, the 16 and 17 pin is our NPU input. NPU means magnetic backup unit, speeds RPM sensor. Okay, and the 7 8 9, this is output, auxiliary output. You can use it for the alarm or some the warning lamp or the some horn, beep sound like a horn, to understand which type of problems we have. Okay, after that the upper side, as you can see, gens V, U, V, W and N, three phases and one neutral. Okay, this is coming from the alternator. Okay, and then we have a main contactor. Okay, as you can see, main contactor. This main contactor is controlled from the control panel main button, which is I already explained. Okay, this is controlled from the this one. Okay, when we press this button, this automatically close and break this contractor. Okay, it's used for that. So after that, as you can see, the pin number 25 is going to the pin number 25. Okay, this is going to the gen contactor K1. Okay, to the inner point. Okay, to the contactor coil side. Okay, this is the NO. When we press it, convert to the NC and close the generator contractor or the generator breaker. Okay, and also the pin number 10, as you can see here, this is going to the K1 contactor ground side. Okay, spliced with the pin 25, which is RYB B phase, connected one side to the contactor A1 point, and then another side, neutral side K1 contactor is connected with the pin number 10. Okay, after that, as you can see, this is our 3 current transformer. Okay, CT1, CT2, CT3. That's mean current transformer A, B and C. Pin number 32, 33, 34 and 35 is of the all 3 CTs common input. Okay, so this is the complete typical wiring diagram of the SmartGen controller. Okay, and finally we have RS485 communication port 18, 19 and 20. Okay, 18 is shield wire and 1918 is AB. Okay, to program the through the PC. Okay, so this is the complete wiring diagram of the SmartGen controller. If you have further any question, please write comment below the comment section. If you require this wiring diagram, I will send you through my email. My Gmail is available in this video link in a description. Okay, and also I will provide my Gmail in a description of this video. So thanks for watching. See you all next time. Goodbye.